Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another wig installation video. Sorry, y'all, I was out of breath already, but I have two disclaimers that I want to give before I actually get into this bomb wig. The first disclaimer is that I apologize, or I don't really apologize, but I may not seem as cheerful and excited as I usually am with my normal personality, and that's just because I recently had to undergo surgery, and it's been taking a toll on me. The recovery has been really hard these last few days, but this is one of the better days, so I'm really excited for my health. If you don't know anything about that, then go check out my last vlog, and when I feel a little bit better, I will do a sit down video and explain to you guys what happened and complications and all the other stuff that happened. The second disclaimer that I want to give is, y'all, it's so crazy that the company I'm working with today is actually one of the very first hair companies that's ever reached out to me for a collaboration since I've been a YouTube content creator, and that company is Myfirstwig, y'all. Oh my gosh, if you've been an OG kid and y'all were there back in the day when I first was doing like wig tutorials, when I really didn't know what I was doing, y'all, but to put them on my head, there wasn't no melting of the scalp and all the got to be sprays and glues and all that. It was literally just put that wig on your head. Sometimes you sew it down with the needle and the thread, and you kind of fluff it, put some water on it, and you're good to go, y'all. But the game has changed, and I'm so excited to have an opportunity to work with them again. So I wanted to give you guys, or show you guys rather, all the things that came in the box. So the first thing that came in my box was this nice headstand, which is so helpful, y'all, for like putting up my wigs. My closet is still, I mean, I've made so much progress in my closet, but I think I'm going to well, I know for a fact we're going to redo this closet right here with some newer modern shelving units and whatever, and then I'll have like a setup for like my wigs, because I'm the only one who even uses this closet right here. So yeah, that's that. And then inside the box, this is how it looks, and inside the box I have this wig cap right here. And the next thing that I have is, wait, before I even show y'all the wig, the next thing that I have, of course, is my edge scarf. We already know what these things look like, but it just says Myfirstwig. The next thing that I have, y'all, what is this? Oh, y'all, oh my gosh, so they sent me some wig deep conditioner. So usually when you like get your wigs and you wash them, or you tint the lace and you wash them, they've already provided that. Y'all, oh my gosh, I literally just, y'all, if y'all don't have like, what are these things called, hair sticks or whatever, y'all know I'm still not a hair guru, so play along. But this is a flyaway tamer, so it's kind of like a little stick that you can like use to like lay down your hair and help style. So they actually provided one, so I'm so excited to try this out and see how that works. They also gave me a nice bag. You can definitely use this for traveling. And it has some clips. Absolutely love these, and y'all already know you can never have too many of the rat tail combs, y'all. Y'all see that? So I have one of those combs. And then last but not least, in the box, what is this? So let me cut it open. Y'all, it's lace glue. Yes, they have some lace glue. I will use this today, and I will give y'all my feedback, my honest feedback about it, so y'all can see with some highlights. I was like, can you add some highlights in there? Oh, and I already got the part right here. So this is how it looks, y'all. We're about to see what I'm about to look like. Let's see if this can trump over y'all's last fade with the long body wave. But anyways, so I just put my cap on. I was gonna go to the salon and get a wash and re-braid down, but I can't do too much moving around or I get in excruciating pain, and I don't want to inconvenience anyone. So I went ahead and just pinned, because my braids are unraveling, y'all. They unraveling because, like I told y'all last time, it was braided with straight hair. It wasn't braided with washed hair. So I just oiled my scalp really good, and then as soon as I feel good, y'all, as soon as I can bend over or like lean back for a little bit of time, I'm going to the salon. So I had to just make do with what I could, and I actually did really good with my molding. Now it looks like the lace is already tinted, so I don't even have to bleach the knots. Look at that, y'all, it's already tinted. So that's less work for me, and I'm really excited about that. So it also has this clip right here for if you have a smaller head. I'll probably put it on the last leg, and then at nighttime I typically unclip my wigs. They'll still be on my head, but I'll unclip it from the back so all my blood is not rushing to my brain. So this is a small, and then it has all the combs in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply my powder, and I'll put this on and show you guys me gluing it with my Myfirstwig lace glue. Hey guys, so I literally just took off the bunding edge scarf, or whatever you want to call it, and now I'm just about to cut the lace. This was, like I said, pre-plucked lace. You guys can see that. So it's very beginner friendly, and I don't know how long I'm gonna be in the beginning stages of wigs. I think you literally, I mean, some people got it, they just got a hand for doing wigs, and some people need a lot more work, i.e. I am that somebody. But I also think you, hold on, can learn by trial and error and by practicing different methods. So y'all got a really small head, so I'm like cutting all the way back over here. All the way back over here. So you guys see the difference? I can clean up some more of the lace and spray some got to be if necessary, but you guys see? Ooh, I love it. Just make sure y'all can see. Just taking all this off. Very easy, y'all, very easy. Sure you get behind that ear, because depending on how big your head is, the lace could lay differently. Ooh, y'all, hold on, my arm's starting to get tired. Hold on, let me stand up so I can see the back. Stick that they gave, I'm gonna rub it into my hair like so, and use this for flyaways. Put this down like so, that way. Then I'm gonna do the same thing on the opposite. Hold on, make sure ain't too much going on. Okay, hold on, y'all. So now I'm gonna go like this. Just real simple, real simple. Make sure, Jory, go get dressed, baby. We got. Okay, guys. So this is the final look. No baby hairs this time around. Effortlessly installed this with no issues whatsoever. I didn't pluck, bleach, or anything, and it's literally good to go. So I'm actually about to go right. So if you like this wig, please let me know in the comments below. Y'all already know what to do, and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.